And what a guan. See, this 2025 is all about expanding your source of income, adding more, increasing your source of income. See, if you have 4 sources of income before, in this 2025, your target should be to have 10 sources of income. Because the way the economy is moving, only God will save us. Any legit thing that you can do comfortably and it brings you money, do backstory. So one of my siblings told me about this app that I want to talk about. And she told me that it was from there she gave her mother money for Christmas. And I'm like, who? The money was huge. Oh. The money that she gave her was huge. And I'm like, from this app? Now I might jump into the app. Oh. So my people, anybody can make money from this app. So far you have a phone and a source of internet. See, let me tell you, even if you're a 9-to-5 worker, you're a business person, carrier, a trader, carpenter, you are a cleaner, any and everybody can make use of this app to make money. The only thing you need is phone and internet. Oh. Just phone and internet. Pere. So if one of your resolution for 2025 is to add to your source of income legitly, I said emphasis legit. Oh yeah, leave a comment. Turn on your notification bell so that once I upload this video I'm talking about, you will see it. If you are yet to subscribe, oh yeah, subscribe. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.